Welcome to HSS Security Solutions, proudly serving Gallatin, Tennessee. For more than 25 years, we've been trusted to deliver professional access control systems that keep businesses and organizations secure. Our solutions are designed to manage who enters your property while ensuring safety, compliance, and convenience. We provide end-to-end access control services, system design, permitting, installation, and ongoing support. Our systems include keypads, card readers, fobs, mobile credentials, and gate entry, customized to fit your facility. From retail shops and schools to healthcare facilities, government buildings, and large commercial campuses, we design scalable systems that grow with your needs. HSS Security Solutions integrates access control with fire alarms, cameras, and monitoring, creating a complete protection package for your property. If you're in Gallatin or anywhere in Sumner County, call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-444-400 or visit security.net. Trusted since 1997 to protect businesses with reliable access control systems.